Yeah, syempre for today's video, are you looking for a perfect private getaway with your family or barkada? Wait, this might be exactly what you need. Welcome to the Casitas Private Stay, your next peaceful escape here in Lipa City. Imagine this, isang place na kayo lang talaga ang gagamit. No sharing, no strangers, walang istorbo. Just pure relaxation with your people. Good for up to 10 guests. But kung solid ang barkada, pwedeng umabot ng 12 to 14 packs. Perfect for family bonding, celebrations, or kahit chill getaway lang. Now here's the best part. On weekends and holidays, from 24,000 pesos, 17,900 na lang. And kung weekdays, mas sulit. 15,900 na lang from 22,000 pesos. Check-in starts at 3 p.m. then check-out at 11 a.m. So make sure sulitin nyo bawat moment. Gusto mo naman ng mas intimate? They also offer a couple exclusive stay for only 9,500 for 2 persons. Extra guest ba? No problem. 1,000 per head lang beyond 10 packs. And syempre, hindi lang presyo ang panalo dito. You get full private access to the swimming pool. Air conditions ang mga rooms, complete kitchen and dining setup. Yes, kompleto. May wifi, may water, microwave, refrigerator, and all cooking essentials. Parang bahay nyo lang, pero mas relaxing. Pet lover ka din ba? Good news, pet friendly sila. Minimal fee lang ng 450 pesos. Quick heads up lang, currently unavailable ang heater and kitchen aircon due to low voltage. But don't worry, everything else is fully working and ready for your stay. So if you're planning a staycation, celebration, or quick escape from the city, the Casitas Private Stay in Barangay Bulacnin, Lipa City is waiting for you. Book na because honestly, deserve mo to. You can like, share, and follow din yung mga pages nila on Facebook and on Instagram. Well, makikita nyo din yung house rules sa kitchen. So, wala kayong ibang gagawin dito kundi mag-enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow. Ayan, syempre sa mga susunod na getaways ulit natin, sana na-enjoy nyo yung video. I-share nyo din sa mga families nyo. And what are you waiting for? Book as early as now kasi madami nagbubook dito sa The Casitas. So hanggang dito na lang po ulit. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our next vlog. Come on!